Welcome to Stegback. This guide will walk you through how to add product attributes from your seller dashboard. First, log in to the Stegback Seller Dashboard. Navigate to the Product tab and click on All Attributes. You will see two columns. The first, Add Product Attributes, allows you to create new attributes, and the second, Attribute List, displays all your existing attributes. To create a new attribute, type the attribute name and click Submit. Once your product attributes are displayed, you can edit or delete them. To edit an attribute name, click on the three dots next to the attribute, select Edit, make the changes, and save. To delete an attribute, use the same menu and select Delete. Next, click here to Attribute Term to define terms for the attribute. Enter the name of the attribute terms and click Submit. Your attribute is now successfully created.